we're talking about energy, and we need to go back in time a little bit because this is a question that you kids will need to help solve. Have you heard of climate change? Yes. Have you heard of global warming? Yes. Well, one of the problems is we have such a great life that we have found a way to burn stuff, to make steam, to turn something to make electricity. As a matter of fact, this thing I have right here was invented, and it has by a man named Michael Faraday. It has a magnet and wire, and when I turn it, it is transferring energy from the sun to something that was in my belly, and then I'm mechanically changing it to electromagnetic energy and light and heat. Now this, would you come up here? This is kind of dangerous. Yeah, come on, okay. Over here, girl power, I like it. On your shirt it says girl power. If only it said science girl power, I'd maybe like it better. All right, so put one finger right there on that black one. No electricity's going through. Lick your fingers and put it on that one right there. And put on that one black and that one red. Now, you might feel a little bit. Most of the energy is going to the light bulb. Let's take the light bulb out. Okay. And we're going to transfer the energy. Look, you're good, right? So let's see what happens. See if you can feel the current go through this circuit. Are you ready? Look at them. 1, 2, 3. What do you feel? Come here, I need your help. Come help. Yeah, quick. Yeah, quick. Stay. Hold hands. You guys hold hands. One finger here on the red, one finger on the black. Look at the camera. See if you tell anything. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Tight. Hold. Did you find it? One more person. Come here. Join. All three of you. Quick. Hold hands. Skin. It's good if you sweat. Hold hands. Or you have to sit down. Hold hands.
There you go.
Hold hands tight. Finger right here. Finger. 3. Oh, watch out. Here we go. Push down hard. 1, 2, 3.
Oh.
What? Again. Sound energy.
Wow.
Got to put it on there. It doesn't work.
Ow.
If you don't hold it on there, it won't work. Push hard. That's a good one. Hold hands again. No, you'll be okay. Your hair will fall off in 3 days. Okay? Oh, ready? Let's see if they can conduct electricity. Touch it. Punch it. Touch it. Grab it. Okay, watch this. Ready? Hold that. Touch my nose.
What?
Not in my nose. Again.
How did you do that?
I didn't do it. Electricity goes through our bodies. You are a good conductor. Hey, wash your hands sometime today. Let's give him a round of applause. Get out of here. This is something important. This is electromagnetic energy. It's very important that if you can spin something, and the problem is, kids, if we use wind power, nothing burns. If we use solar power, the sun's burning. But for many, many years, we used to burn this. This is wood. This wood came from a tree that got its energy from 240 million years ago in Indiana. 10 feet of trees got squeezed down to this. Does anybody know what this is? Coal. This is coal. Some of you will be getting this at Christmas time. Yes. All right. So this coal, I'm looking for my torch, which is, here we go. Take this, look at the coal right here. Okay. The problem And if you guys could hold your voices down and not have side conversations, it'd be a better video. So the problem with coal is it took 230 million years to make this. That's the one problem. We're not making any more of this. Well, if you wait 200, this is 5 times older than dinosaurs. The second problem is when this burns, sometimes it's a solid, that's coal. Sometimes it's a gas, that's natural gas. And when it burns, it gives off carbon dioxide, a gas that really is not good for our atmosphere, CO2. Now we have one other thing besides solid, gas, that leaves what else? This is crude oil right out of the ground. You take this, you separate it. This is what we make gasoline out of. This is what we make kerosene, jet fuel, diesel fuel, Vaseline for your face, plastic, this gym floor. All of this is liquid oil. And the problem is we're going to run out. The second problem is it's putting all kinds of gases that makes our planet warmer. You're going to have to help me solve that in the future. Because we have been using a lot of these to light our houses. Now, this is kind of cool. You have, put your hands down for a second. You have ways to heat your house. One way in the future is we're going to use you to heat our houses. You are like little furnaces. When you go to bed tonight, you get in bed, it's cold. When you put the blankets over you, the food you've eaten causes your body to be warm. So when you put blankets on you, the blankets don't get you hot. The blankets insulate you. You get yourself hot. If you took a rock and put it in your bed, it will never get cold. You put a dog in your bed, cover it up, it'll be warm. Because look, I can prove. Watch this. My hand can boil this liquid.
What?
Would you, would you come up and try it? Yes. Have you tried it yet? You been up here? Come on. Both of you. There you go. Let's see. Now there's a problem with this. If your hand doesn't boil it, it could mean that you're dead and you're a zombie. So I don't know. Let's see. Put your hand underneath there. Hold it. Let's see if you're warm. Let's see if it boils. I don't know. Oh my goodness. You may not be alive. When you go home today, ask your parents if you're living. I don't know. Try it one more time. Hold it from the bottom. Put your hand around it. Let's see if it'll boil. This girl could be a zombie. Wow. You're kind of cold. I like it though. All right, let's see. Thank you. Let's see. Put your hand around it. What do you think? Let's see here. Are the kids at Chapelwood? Like, are you guys like cold-blooded? Wow, where do we get these kids from? From the North Pole? Here we go. Luckily, I'm transferring my heat. I guess I'm just what you call a hot teacher. I don't know. Probably not. Hey, let's give him a round of applause anyway. Some of the things we do with energy are just, some of these things are just, with teachers, would you send me 2 more kids from the back up? Watch this. This is so, send me 2 more kids, please. All right. Quick. All right, so there's a force, and there's a lot of scientists argue, some people, is gravity a force? As far as Isaac Newton and I are concerned, gravity is a force. Hold this from the bottom, and hold this right here. Now watch what happens. When you drop this, gravity's gonna pull it down, but something weird is gonna happen at the top. Okay, watch, are you ready? Got that one? Hold it. All right, drop it. No! Sorry, my directions weren't very good. You hold this, hold that cup, and drop this part. 1, 2, 3. You see how that jumped up? Here, take it off the side. Let's try this one here. Thank you. Have a seat. Here, let's try this. You ready? Hold it. Watch how this part, you hold that, watch how this part jumps up. This goes down, That goes up. Look. Oh, my boys didn't do a good job on that one. Sorry. We got one more shot. Let's try one more. Who's trying to do? Thank you. Ready? Here we go. We got the end of it. Here we go. Yeah, here we go. Watch it, watch it. Not bad. Let's give a round of applause anyway. Thank you. We're going to talk about this next part is so dangerous because, wait a minute, you're volunteering for a cannonball. Put your hands down so you see what I'm going to do. All right, these cannonballs, 3, 2, quiet. These cannonballs are so heavy that if I give them some energy, motion, you should hear some sound. Ready?
What?
Wow, I transferred motion to sound. But watch what happens if, is there any other type of energy? Let's see here, let's see. I have a piece of paper here. And this piece of paper, thanks for volunteering, come here. Yes, quick. Hold it. Hold it. You can be next. Hold it. Look at the camera. Now watch what happens. I hate this part. You heard sound, but I think there's something else going on. Turn around and show them. Show them. Smell it. Come over here close. Smell it. What does it smell like? Burn. Let's do it for the camera. Hold it up one more time. Ready? There's actually so much energy that it is actually burning holes in it. And it smells. Have a seat, thank you. Let's try it here. Hold it, don't drop it. Ready? Let's see if we can do a chemical reaction. All right, here we go. I'm going to put, because this iron ball has rust on it, rust is a slow chemical reaction where the iron has changed to something else. Chemical reaction. A physical reaction is if I just tear that. It's still aluminum. A physical change doesn't change the elements or the material. But my friend here, are you ready? Oh, here, this is very dangerous, but I need someone, okay? I'm going to add a little bit of energy. Let's see if this is ready. Are you ready? Look at the camera. Here we go. Ready? I hate this part. Here we go. Where's the shape? Yes, there. Now, what you see in there is... All right, your turn. You try it. Yeah, hold that. Hold this. Yeah. Hold this. Hold that one. Ready? Okay. Quiet, please. We have our volunteer. Get closer to the camera. Don't hit my fingers or yours either. Glancing blow on the aluminum. Here we go. Whoa! One more for the camera. Let's give her a round of applause. Good job. One more.
I'm allergic to nights in the walls.
Wow. Okay. So we've been doing a lot with motion and forces. And I hope I do this right. This is, okay. This is not too bad. Let's see. No. But you know what? That wasn't near as much fun because
Put your hands down.
wait a minute. Swing. Harder than that. There you go. Okay, whoa. Big arm out. Woo. Woo. Okay, stop. Wow. Now, y'all beware. She's pretty good at starting. I don't know about the stop. Okay, ready? Go slow. Ready? Here she goes. Here she goes. Go for it. I'm going to lose my job.